Hi guys, quick message with regards to the assignment that we're just doing right now. I have seen most of your topics and most of them look okay. There are a couple that I haven't approved yet. So please look at my comments and let's approve them quickly. A couple of generic comments that I had. One is that try and do your initial brainstorm and mapping as quickly as possible so that you're really clear about the boundaries of the topic and where all do you want to touch base. Secondly, since one of the deliverables for your midterm is a visual journal, I would suggest maybe put one or two people from each group to start working on it parallelly. So as you define the issue, do it both verbally and visually. It could be, photos from articles, or if it's a sensitive issue, you may want to consider having one person do caricatures or maybe a cartoon or a drawing that depicts the situation as neutrally as possible, not judgmentally, so that we can get a sense of what the issue is like. It could be like in a storyboard format, it could be in a comic format, it could be a set of, just one-off poster-like images, it could be anything. So please think about this and try and create as many concept maps as possible so that the issue from your end is clear. And also don't forget that when you're researching for articles, please look for fact-based articles and not opinion pieces, because certain topics can be explained from the point of view of what somebody believes it as an individual or as a group of, as reporters and from their perspective. So we must be very careful. For example, when we talk about hatred and violence, it's very easy to get caught up in the fact that it could be viewed as a concern. Yes, it is a concern, but is it a social concern? We must also remember that you identify social concerns only on the basis of whether it's recognized as a concern by a large group of people, whether it is identified, and whether a large group of people are harmed by it. So large group of people, we have to define what that large group is, and usually it means wherever you go in every society, it is prevalent in some form of the other. The minute something becomes an exclusively urban or an exclusively sort of esoteric community-based problem, then it could not serve very well as a social concern. And also finding references for it would be difficult. For example, bipolar disorder is not a social concern, it's a medical concern. So, but it has a great impact in a person's ability to function as a member of society. That does not make it a social concern. So those of you who have touched points on topics that are sort of little bit on the controversial side or talk about mental health, you need to do a second pass and make sure that your topics have a clear impact, a clear society that is being impacted, and that we know where this is headed. So in the next 1 day or 2 days max, I'd like to kind of freeze on all this so that we all know that we're going in the right direction. So please upload your rough work, no matter how rough it is. And I have made it a point to check at least twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. So you have enough time to kind of revise and just ping me if you want something from my end urgently. That's about it. This is all that I had to say. Please, I look forward to your assignments very, very soon. Thank you.